Have you ever heard the phrase that it's not what you do, but how you do it? I believe Jamie Thomas took that to heart whenever he was creating the Warsaw brand.
Man, I waited a year to skate this shoe. As soon as I heard him talk about it on the 9 Club, I knew I had to get it. I had to have it in my hands. I wanted to review it. Today we're gonna talk about the look, the fit and feel, the quality of materials. That's our little agenda for the day. I did an unboxing video a couple weeks ago. If you haven't seen it, it's like my first impressions. This is basically my skate impressions. I'm impressed, but let me tell you why. A lot of shoe companies get it wrong by trying to reinvent the wheel. Jamie's not trying to do that. Jamie didn't do that. If you're new to this, I'm talking about a thing called life, and you don't realize that original thoughts aren't real, and great artists steal. They make things better, they add to it, and they build on it. That's how things work. The Warsaw shoes are a work of art. He kept it simple, and he did it right. That's exactly what this shoe is. They fit snug. They fit true to size also. I bought a size 10, and they fit and feel great. Jamie Thomas went and picked materials for this shoe. These shoes are hard to destroy. If you're somebody who goes through shoes like they're nothing, you skate mob grip like I do, you should get these shoes. They don't do that thing to where they get soggy after a while. One thing he said that I want to bring up here when it comes to design and the look, when he said that you could wear these shoes without socks. How the hell is he gonna do that without the shoe rubbing up against his foot? See, a lot of shoes getting blisters because my foot is rubbing up against the shoe on the inside. You're trying to get the best setup possible, and a lot of that is like a lot of foot wiggling. I hated having to go to another pair of shoes because I got so used to not having to worry about my feet rubbing together. Didn't get swamp foot with these, so they are breathable enough. The design of these shoes is actually very plain. Like, there's not a lot to say about the design. It's because he did a lot of like minimal branding, so that means you could wear it with anything. So if I wanted to wear North Face with it, if I wanted to wear me a Star Wars hat, Nike, Adidas, it doesn't matter what you wear, you can wear it with these shoes just because of there is no branding with it. So it's not a lot of this and that clashing. So just walking around in these lets me know that Jamie has perfected the vulcanized shoe for skateboarding. These shoes are very heavy. If you watch the video leading to this video, you will notice that. That weight that these shoes have is pure quality and substance. There is a decently thick outer sole, but not so thick to where you can't feel your board. Like I said, these are still a Volk shoe. This shoe has a midsole. Other skate shoe brands don't even bother to put one in, which I think is crazy. That pair of Volk shoes and you catch Primo, that could be the end of your session right here. As to where like I ended up getting a Primo coming out of a crook, by the way. That's the weirdest shit ever. Okay, I felt the shit. I felt it, and I moved around a little bit. I had to just keep going because I don't know if you know, you got muscles under the bottom of your feet. So when I hit that, it could have ended the session. But what I do know about muscles is if you get hurt out there, a lot of times if you keep going, you can at least finish your session, unless you do some just real bad shit to your foot, and then you're done. But with these, like, I didn't have to worry about that, so it was great. I was able to keep going, and I wouldn't have been able to if it had just had the outer sole and no midsole to protect me in between there. The combination of insole he has, it's not just like a regular stock insole. Like, I don't know what the hell he's got in there, but it's freaking amazing. Plus the midsole, plus the outer sole, those three, like, combination, bruh. It's far as the heel bruise shit, that's like a common problem for every Volk shoe. That's not new shit, that's old shit. If you're somebody who skates curbs or like transition, like you do a bunch of manuals or just small technical tricks, these are gonna be great because the flick on these shoes is amazing. Look, Jamie Thomas, if you come out with a cup sole, I wanna review that shoe so damn bad. The only trick that was kind of awkward for me were heel flips, but I kind of suck at heel flips. That's about what I gotta say. Like, have you guys skated this shoe? Are you going to skate it? If you choose to buy this shoe, let us know down in the comments. For me, man, like these shoes got a 9 out of 10. Only little hiccup they had is like, you know, that heel bruise shit, and that's just normal shoe shit. These shoes were like a great experience. If you guys found value from my content today, make sure you guys like the video. It'll help boost it into the algorithm and make sure more people see this so we can get more reviews about this shoe. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.